Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Question Point. In our channel, we provide you SSC, GK and GS question of previous year which are frequently asked. To get 25 on 25 in SSC exams, practice with us for the GK and GS question which are frequently asked, and additional knowledge regarding those questions also we will be providing. So this is our set 6 for today. We have already uploaded 5 sets which you can watch on our YouTube channel Question Point. And friends, please subscribe to our channel so that you can get the update as and when we upload our video. So let's start for our set 6. So first question is, when was the Indian national flag adopted? So correct answer for this question is option number 4. Indian national flag, which we have as Tiranga, was adopted on 22nd of July 1947. Remember this, it was adopted before the independence of India. Next question we have is question number 2, that is, which of the following river fall in the Arabian Sea? So the correct answer for this question is option number 1, that is Indus. Indus is the river among these which fall into the Arabian Sea. It originates from the Tibetan Plateau, which now comes under China, occupied by China. Next question we have is question number 3. Which of the following cricketer was awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna 2018? And the correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli was the cricketer who was awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2018. Now this has been renamed. It has been renamed on the name of Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand. He is also known as विजार्ड हॉकी विजार्ड और विजार्ड ऑफ हॉकी का जादूगर बोले जाते हैं ये. इन्होंने ही ऑल्सो गॉट गोल्ड मेडल इन ओलंपिक्स फॉर इंडिया ऑलमोस्ट 4 times. Next question we have is question number 4, that is, which of the following is a traditional painting of Odisha? So correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is Pattachitra. Pattachitra style is a painting which is oldest and most popular art forms of Odisha. Next we have is question number 3, that is question number 5, who among the following was not a governor of Reserve Bank of India? So from above, option number 2, that is Sunil Arora, has not remained as the Reserve Bank governor. All other 3, that is Manmohan Singh, Urjit Patel and Raghuram Rajan, these have been as the governor of RBI, and currently who is the governor? Sashikant Das is the governor of RBI presently. Next question we have is question number 6, that is, which of the following is an ancient book written by Banbhat? So the correct answer for this question is option number 1, that is Kadambari. Kadambari is basically a romantic novel which is written in Sanskrit language. It was composed by Banbhat in the 7th century CE. Next question we have is question number 7 now. What is Parsi New Year known as? So correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is Navroz. Navroz is the name of Parsi New Year. Next question we have question number 8. The book War and Peace is written by, it is a book War and Peace which it is written by. Correct answer for this question is option number 1, that is Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy is a Russian author who have written this book War and Peace. Next question we have is question number 9. How many digits are there on a debit card? It seems to be general, but sometimes we do not pay attention on these things, so we may not find correct answer at the right time. So we should pay attention to each and every little thing which are happening around us. We might use debit card frequently, but sometimes we do not remember that how many digits are given on it. So correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is 16 digits are there on the debit card. Next we have is question number 10. To which of the following event Lord Curzon, remember this name, Governor Lord Curzon, is related? So Lord Curzon is related to partition of Bengal, and it was happened on 16th of October 1905, year of partition, that is 1905. He formed 2 states from the province of Bengal, that is East Bengal and West Bengal. So it was basically divided on the basis of religion. They have specified it as a convenience in administration, but basically the reason behind was to divide the community between Hindus and the Muslim. Next question we have, the term time trial is associated with which of the following sport? So the correct answer for this question is cycling. Time trial is related to cycling. Next we have is question number 12. that is, who is the 17th Lok Sabha speaker? So correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is Om Birla. Om Birla is the 17th Lok Sabha speaker, and he is currently also Om Birla is currently also serving as the speaker of the Lok Sabha. Next we have, how many schedules are there in Indian constitution? So correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is 12 schedules. Currently we have 12 schedules, but originally in our constitution we have only 8 schedules. When our constitution was adopted in November 1949, it had only 8 schedules. Later on, by amendments, we have added 4 more schedules, and now it numbers to 12 schedules. Next question we have is question number 14. According to the census of 2011, what is the population density of India? So correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is 382 persons per square kilometer. So it means that in area of 1 kilometer by 1 kilometer, around on an average in India 382 persons reside. In 2001 census it was 325% only, and it increased in 2011 census. And the states which have highest density of population, so highest, it is Bihar. Bihar is the highest density with around 1106 persons. They are living in an area of 1 square kilometer. According to Union Territories, India has the highest density. New Delhi has the highest density. Who discovered electron? So correct answer for this question is J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson in 1897, when he was studying the properties of cathode ray, he discovered electron, and he was also awarded Nobel Prize in 1906 for discovering the elementary particle of electron. Next we have is question number 16. Which of the following minister is named in the 100 most influential UK-India relations celebrating women list? So correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is Nirmala Sitharaman. She has been named in the 100 most influential persons between UK and India relations. Next question is, which of the following dynasty was founded by Qutbuddin Aibak? So correct answer for this question is option number 4, that is slave dynasty. It is also known as Mamluk dynasty, and it is also known as Ghulam dynasty. Ghulam is the Hindi word for slave. It was founded by Qutbuddin Aibak. These all three names are same. They are used interchangeably. So basically Qutbuddin Aibak was slave of Muhammad Ghori. He was the favorite slave of Muhammad Ghori. Next question we have is question number 18, that is under which article of Indian Constitution Hindi is declared as the official language? So correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is article 343, according to which Indian Constitution declared Hindi as the official language. Next question we have is question number 19. Who was the 5th Guru in Sikhism? So correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is Guru Arjan Dev. Guru Arjan Dev was the 5th Guru of Sikh. He compiled first official edition of Sikh scriptures, that is known as Adi Granth, which was later on expanded into Guru Granth Sahib. Initially it was Adi Granth, expanded to make Guru Granth Sahib, that is the holy book of Sikhs. And Guru Arjan Dev and Guru Tegh Bahadur, these are the two Guru among the Sikhs who got martyred for the Sikh faith. These two Gurus got martyred for the Sikhs. Martyred. Next question we have is question number 20. Which of the following quantities have its SI unit named after Blaise Pascal? So correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is pressure. Correct answer is option number 2, that is pressure. It is the SI unit named after Blaise Pascal. Next we have is question number 21. Who among the following presented Union Budget of India for maximum time? So correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is Morarji Desai. He has presented the Union Budget 10 times. Are currently serving Nirmala Sitharamanji. She has presented the Union Budget for 5 times. Next we have is question number 22. Which of the following cell organelles contain DNA apart from nucleus? So correct answer for this question is mitochondria. Basically in the cell there are three organelles which have DNA. Three organelles which have DNA. So first one is nucleus, second one is mitochondria, and third one is chloroplasts. These are the three organelles which are found in cell which contain DNA. They contain DNA. Next question we have is question number 23. In which of the following states marshy peaty soil is not predominantly fine? So correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is the state where marshy and peaty soil is not predominantly fine. Next question we have is question number 24, that is which of the following element found in water is responsible for cancer? So correct answer for this question is option number 1, arsenic. If arsenic is ingested for a long time, it can cause bladder cancer or skin cancer. It can cause bladder cancer or skin cancer. Sometime it may not be given as cancer. It may be given as which element found in water is carcinogenic. A word carcinogenic is used for the substances which causes cancer. So remember this word also. Question number 25. Which of the following disease is caused by severe deficiency of protein? So correct answer for this question is kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor is a form of disease in which protein energy malnutrition is severe. It is characterized by edema, irritability, anorexia, and ulcerating dermatosis. And liver also get enlarged with the fatty infiltrates. Sufficient calories intake but with insufficient protein consumption leads to the disease of kwashiorkor. That means you are taking sufficient food but you are not taking food which is rich in protein. You are eating the food which is deficient in protein nutrient basically. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and you can also comment how you like the video. Stay connected for next 25 on 25 series of GK and GS for SSC MTS exam which is currently about to start. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.